When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in me.
Count from out the womb, out the school, right to out the house, and no one picked me up. They told me I would never get it, so I just took it. Now I want my motherfucking credit. Ain't never gonna change my course. Full speed television, I'm a racing horse. I ain't a kill, don't play the sport. I don't know what it is y'all waiting for. Nobody gonna hold your hand. I did it, I stole my chance. I took it and ran. I played them all, I took a stand. Y'all smart, y'all shook, y'all played the stand. Fuck all your plans, go ahead, go call your mans. Might as well call the ambulance. I'll break you down, I'll take you out. Y'all never really had a chance, I'm sorry. One more, we can take it to war. I don't know what the fuck y'all take me for. I get my mind, I'll take what's yours. I'll pull your blood from ice and punch. I stayed hungry, nothing changed me. Call me Young Shady. I don't give a fuck either way, no pay me. I've been involved, I played a part, I took the hits, I did it all, the waiting's off. Now give me this, give me this.
Motherfucker.
Wagging their fingers, hating, laughing, they think they break me. Half of them couldn't keep my pace if I was out there waiting. I always hear them doubting, they don't know shit about me. They won't respect you till you hopping in that brand new Audi. But if it's hell they want, they got it, baby, Satan's present. I just hope they don't mind the heat or for the sake of heaven. I've come to get it out for blood, I am done pursuing. The time is now, so they focus on just how I do it. I'm out of place, out of hand, out of space. And this bottle in my hand got me feeling out my face. So you barely made the game, I'll make the season play. You can't handle the moment, I'm here to seize the day. And give me this. Just let it take you away. I thought we told you. Motherfucker, but I'd rather reload and just dump motherfucker. I'm busy in the clouds, you in the cloud of dust. I'm in the G5, you missed the crowded bus. But I don't mean no harm, I'd rather work the beat. I knock out every day, but never hurt the weak. I stay inspired, my hunger keeping the fire living. I cook ambition, you are what you eat, so I'm ambitious. My vision vivid, I see the mission as clear as day. Just take a listen, it's business, homie, I'm on my way.
to. Cause I had to. Cause I had to. A nigga gotta pay the fucking rent. I gotta remember what you gave me, claiming I'm a criminal when you the one that made me. They got me trapped in this slavery. Now I'm lost in this Holocaust, heading for my grave, G. I told Sam he could fuck the war and got a busted jaw for saying fuck the law. And if you wonder why I'm mad, check the record. What's a nigga gotta do to get respected? Sometimes I think I'm getting tested, and if I don't say yes, a nigga's quick to get arrested. That's the reason I stay tested. I keep a vest on my chest in case the cops are getting restless. Walking around ready to light shit up, but since my life is fucked, so say I'm slightly nuts. Buck, is the sound as I move. Other niggas pay attention when the fool bust. They make a nigga be a killer. I used to be a dealer, but they wanted to see who's realer. Now them same motherfuckers wanna murder me, and no one did the Lord ever heard of me. I need loot, so I'm doing what I do. And don't say shit till you walk in my shoes. There was no other destiny to choose. I had nothing left to lose. Till you walk in my shoes. There was no other destiny to choose. I had nothing left to lose. I'm singing nigga blues, just slang crack. Why I just slang crack? Why I just slang crack? A nigga gotta pay the fucking rent. Papa need brand new shoes, but what the fuck can a nigga do? My little boy gotta eat too, so why must I suck a fella? Just to live large like Rockefeller. And did you ever stop to think? I'm old enough to go to war, but I ain't old enough to drink. Cops wanna hit me with the book, and you're hooked on my I don't give a fuck look. Make your rules, I'ma break them. No matter how much you make them, you show me bacon, I'ma take them. So don't you ever tempt. I'm a fool for my nigga and my pocket stay empty. To my brothers in the barrio, you're living worse than the niggas in the ghetto. So I give a fuck about the language or complexion. You got love from the niggas in my section. You got problems with the punk police. Don't run from the chunks, get the pump from me. We ain't free, I'll be damned if I play the trick. For a blonde hair, blue-eyed Caucasian bitch. Down with my homeboy Rich. Fuck a snitch and a goofy ass bitch. And a nigga with a cellular phone. Leave his baby at home so we can go out and phone. And you wonder why we blazing niggas? Cause you punks having babies can't raise the niggas. And they bound to be fuck ups too. Drinking 40s of brew. Singing nigga blues. Cause I had to. Cause I had to. Motherfucking pen. Cause I had to. Cause I had to. Cause I had to. Now I'm heading for the motherfucking pen. Cause I had to.
Vittu penat.